Let's take a look at a quick exercise. So from the description right away, we know that we want to print out the name and the price of some different phones. And that means we could probably put down a select name and price from phones right away. Then after that, we've got some criteria here. We only want to see the name and the price of phones that have a price greater than that phone, this S5620 Monty. So in other words, we want to take all of our phones with the from phones clause, but then we want to filter some out by using a where clause. And we specifically want to filter out the phones that have a price that is less than some other amount. So in other words, we want to find phones where the price is greater than the price of the S560 Monty. So we're going to put in a subquery inside of here to make sure that we can find the price of this very particular phone. I'm going to select the price from phones where the name of the phone is equal to S5620 Monty, like so. Now we've got a subquery here that hopefully is going to return just one single value. We could possibly have more than one phone with this name, but in this case, in this exercise environment, I'm going to assume that, well, we've only got one phone with this particular name. With this where clause right here inside the subquery, we are only going to get back one row. And then out of that row, we are only selecting one column. So the result of the entire subquery is a single value, which means that it is safe to be used with the greater than operator. All right, so let's go ahead and check our solution and see how we're doing. All right, looks good. And if we do a visual inspection on our results, we've got the S5620 Monty at $250. And looking at all the other prices, yeah, only the Galaxy S and the iPhone 4 have a price greater than. So that means that our results right here definitely make sense. Okay, so this looks good. Let's continue on in just a moment.